guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Chris Han. My Instagram is chrishanxoxo. Video is definitely the trend, but it takes a lot of effort to put together all the images, visuals, and the sound, blend everything together into one piece of work. And I've been spending so much time working on my content, on my videos. Today I'm gonna show you some of the behind the scene and how I edit my fashion videos on the phone. Thank you KineMaster for sponsoring this video. KineMaster is a very awesome video editing app that allows me to produce professional looking videos all on the phone. And I'll show you how I edit my videos on KineMaster step by step. But first of all, we need to film some content for the video. And my husband Robert helped me with this part. But if you don't have a videographer or photographer, you can use a tripod, set up a tripod at home or outside and film yourself. It works too. So for this tutorial, I set up a simple backdrop at my place and also filmed some clips in my living room and outdoors as well in a beautiful location in Los Angeles. So you will see some studio looking clips and also some lifestyle clips. Okay, now we have some clips on the phone. Let's edit the video together. So just open the app first. Create a new project by clicking this button. And then select the aspect ratio of this project. For this video, I will post it on YouTube. So I select 16:9. Okay, you will see a blank dashboard here. Click Media to import the videos. And you can find all the videos on the phone. And then select the ones that you need in order. Tap the video, you see this panel. I can start to trim and split the video using this tool. Then, adjust the speed using the speed function. The video will look cinematic and smooth after slowing down. For fashion videos, I usually use 0.5 to 0.6 for the speed, depending on the frame rate of the raw videos. And then I'm gonna add some effects to the video to make it fancy. Click Layer and you will find the Effect button here. So here is an asset store. You can download these effects that you need from the store. Then the effects will be saved here on your panel. So for this clip, I chose shifted lines and adjust the length of the effect and then enlarge the size on the screen. To smooth the transition of this effect, I added both in animation and out animation and selected fade. This is how it looks like. Next, we will add transitions to the video. So you can play around by splitting the videos for more transitions if you want. The video will look more interactive and engaging if you have some fancy transitions. And here, I just added this fast transition and selected style number 1. So look at this transition, it's so beautiful. And then we move on to the background music. Here you see the audio button. Click it and choose music. All these downloaded sounds will be here. The asset store will show you all the available music and select the ones that you like and place it here on the timeline. Adjust the music by dragging it. You can trim it, adjust the volume, or layer it. You can use your own music, voiceover, or the ones downloaded from KineMaster's store. The next step is to add clip graphics for the intro. Here I use this one, intro text, style number 4. Select this one and key in the video title, Spring Lookbook. Okay, when all the clips are done, I can export the video. Okay guys, so this is my spring lookbook video filmed and edited on the phone. And thank you KineMaster for making it possible, and I really enjoyed this app. It makes my video production so much easier. If you haven't tried the KineMaster yet, you can use the link down below to download this app and check it out. Or you can search KineMaster in App Store or Play Store. If you have any questions about producing a video on the phone or using KineMaster, you can drop a comment down below or DM me on Instagram at chrishanxoxo. And that's the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching, and I can't wait to see you guys in the next one. Bye!